So this is Robotic cordless pool cleaner. It sucks the water in here, brushes the bottom of the pool with this, pulls it on the inside, blows the water out of here. As the water comes out of there, it propels it either backwards, forwards, and to the side. This is the off and on button. When it's turned this way, it's off. When you turn this way, it's on. That is your charging port, and you got to keep this thing on there. You don't want to get it wet. Now I'm going to show you guys how to charge it. All right, so let's just pick her up or take her inside and we'll charge it. And then we'll plug it in there, get it ready to go. So here is our transformer and our plug. So you want to plug it into the wall, right? And you're going to pop this off. I'm going to grab this side. Notice it's green. I got to look for the little indentation, shove her in, and we'll just let this thing charge. Now it's showing all green, but I just used this, so it's definitely out of the charge because it ran for about 2 hours. So we'll give it a couple hours to charge up and we'll try it in the pool again. So we've had this on here for at least a couple hours. So let's go ahead and pop this out of here. Comes right out. We'll unplug it here too. Then we want to put our little thing in here so that, you know, it doesn't get all discombobulated. We'll put that away in a minute. We'll take this out, we'll put it in the pool and clean the bottom. How's that sound? Here we go. All right, so the way it works is they say to go ahead and submerge it first. I'm gonna get it underwater, and then this, I'm gonna turn it all the way to the left, and that's gonna start it. So first I'm gonna just submerge it here. You follow me? Just gotta get it under. Okay, now once it's down there, I'm gonna turn this, and you may see it turn blue. You see that? See how it's blue? Now I wanna get it on the bottom of the pool, so I'm just gonna let it fall right down there, just like that. And it should land on all fours. And just start moving and grooving and cleaning the bottom of the pool then. Yeah, that's it. But it does a good job. You can see it's a little dirty out here. See all those leaves there and there? Now hopefully, come back in an hour or two and everything will be clean. Here's our robot doing a pretty good job. As you can see, he's got most of the leaves up, cleaning the pool bottom. She's just got to get those leaves off of there, and I would be happy. My robot has stopped, and she did a really good job at cleaning the pool. I mean, look at that. That's amazing, right? Got it. See? Now we'll just bring it over here. I mean, I could just pull it right up here and grab it. Probably would be a good idea, right? What I want to do is just grab her, and I want to turn it off. So I'm just going to turn this to off position, okay? And then I'm just going to pull it out of the water. Like that. So let's go ahead and grab her. Pick her up. And, oh yeah, it's dripping everywhere. We've got it on the off position. I turned it all the way. If you look on the side, you're going to see there's this little, little latch thing here. What you do is you have to pull that on both sides, and it pops right off. There we go. Now I can just take this right off of there. And that's the engine. You guys can take a look at it. I'm just going to set her there. And right here is where, underneath this thing here, is where all of the leaves are. You see? So we'll take it over here and just dump it out. About 8 o'clock. It's getting dark here in Florida. Just like that. And then I can just take the hose and hose it out, and we'll just clean it. Like that. And then we just dip it out. And you can see all the stuff that came out of it. Let's do one more squirt. And out. I think that's pretty good, right? Got most of it out of there. If you want, you can squirt this too. This looks pretty clean though. So we'll just set it right back on there. We'll put this on. You flip it over for a second. You'll see that you got this little area here and here and here and here. And that kind of slides down in here, here, and there. So you should be able just to push it on there. So let's try that. You see that little slots? So I just got to get them in there. Just like that. Yeah, there we go. And then you just push it down. Like that. should be ready to go. And that's it. That's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos.